Hey family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you've not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing this delicious chocolate cake. Let's get right into the process. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to whisk all our dry ingredients together until they incorporate. Once your dry ingredients are mixed, add your liquid ingredients and mix until smooth. Pour your mixture into your already prepared 8-inch pans and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle of the cake comes out dry. While the cakes are baking, let's do the frosting. Remember, frosting is always optional. You could eat your cake as plain as it is. Mix the butter and the cream cheese until light and fluffy. I use the hand mixer to give it an easy ride. Gently add cocoa powder and granulated sugar and keep mixing until blended. So fam, our cakes are ready. Let's go ahead and let it cool on a wire rack before we put the frosting. Once the cakes are cool, level them and add frosting on each layer. Usually when applying frosting to a cake, it's better to use an offset spatula because it helps evenly distribute the frosting and also smoothen the edges. Mount the second cake, making sure the bottom is up so it could have a smooth top. Top the cake with some strawberries and give yourself a treat. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment below. See you next week. God bless you. Bye.